In this video, I'm going to show you how you can't install Garna app from Google Play Store. If you're trying to install this app from your Google Play Store but you are unable, then follow these steps. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. Now, there are quite a number of methods you can use to fix this issue. So the first method, you need to go ahead and go to Play Store and make sure before you search, you are logged into your account using your Gmail, and you should see your profile icon here. Then search for your app and see if you can install it. However, if you're still unable to install it, even when logged in, then go ahead and tap on your profile icon here. Then scroll down to settings. Under settings, look for network preferences here and tap on it, and under this look for the option called app download preference. Now if you tap on this, you can see we have these three options. Go ahead and choose the first option over any network. This will make sure that you are connected to your current network and that you are able to make downloads over the same network. Now at this point, now everything should be okay. However, if you're still unable to install Garna app, then you need to go ahead and find out if there is a problem with your Google Play Store app. Now for this, go ahead and long press on Play Store, look for app info or the name of the app here, or a settings gear if you can see the app info, and tap on it to access the app information page. You can also access app information page through settings. Now from here, we need to go ahead and clear the cache data for Play Store to fix any issues with this app. If I go ahead and tap on storage, you can see a breakdown of data used by Play Store. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, accumulation of these files might cause your Google Play Store to malfunction. So to fix this, go to clear data, choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. And then go ahead and restart your smartphone. And this time around, now go to Play Store and you should be able now to search for your app. So I'll go ahead, search for my app, Garna, and then tap on it and now install. Now, as you can see from my side, I'm able now to install this app. Now everything has been solved. So that's how you can can't install Garna app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.